Hello tech lovers, welcome you to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us tutorials or lectures on how you can sell your Amazon link using TikTok, okay? Like posting on TikTok and selling your link on TikTok. So, using your Amazon link, while you sell, anyone that clicks your link on Amazon, your affiliate links on Amazon, you will get a commission. So, anyone that, for example, buys this design token, right? Amazon and the person is using your affiliate link, Amazon will pay you a commission. So and I believe you want to cash out, right? So you can sell or you can make little videos and post on TikTok and you start making money. So it's in two ways. I'm going to be giving us two methods on how you would create these videos and how you're going to be putting your links on TikTok to sell Amazon products, okay? Without any further ado, let's get started. Tech lovers, let's come back to Amazon and we check the type of product we want to sell. As you all know, my name is TechwithBunmi and I would love to promote tech products, right? So we can come to new release, okay? And when you come to new, you can search for camera and phone products or cell phone and accessories, techie product, right? Computers and accessories, electronics, right? And you will pick one of it, right? So these are the new release. Let's take this for example. This Apple AirPod. So for you to be able to get this link, you have to sign up for Amazon Associate. And if you want to sell US, Canada, Amazon, you want to choose, you will sign up for each of the countries you will want to the affiliate suite. Okay, so this is Amazon.com and I have Amazon.ca and I also have Amazon.co.uk. The full video is going to be in the description. I was able to merge all these links together to be under one link so I can sell internationally. So feel free to watch the free video of it, okay? It's a straightforward video. So get link, right? And you can either use the full link, which is too much. Can you see? Can you see the full link is outrageous? So you don't want to put this in your TikTok account, right? So you can shorten it with some shortening link, and this, but we'll be using the short link here. I'm going to copy this link to show us example on how click on this link, which I already did, and I'm going to show you how you're going to paste it on TikTok. Okay, so now I'll come to my TikTok account and I would edit my profile. So on edit my profile, I'll come to bio, right? And this is my first example. I'll come to bio and I would put my link here or Amazon.com and I will take my pictures like this picture. Let's see the ones that I can use. Let's see the ones I can use. So I'm gonna save these pictures. Yeah, it's airport. I'll save it at the airport. I'll save this to at the airport too. Right. Let me save everything I need, then I'll be right back. So now that I've finished saving the pictures, I'll come to this place, then I'm going to click on upload, right? And this one says videos, 30-minute videos. Let me post, let's just upload. To select our videos, I'm going to be using Canva to create our short videos, then we'll upload it here, right? So to upload our video, right, our short video, and you can upload up to 30 videos. You can also schedule your videos on TikTok. If you, I think it's only available on the laptop. Okay, I'm sure you can't. I don't think I tried it to check on. I tried to check on my mobile. I couldn't find it. So, but if you use your laptop, you can schedule like 30 videos and schedule all your content, right? So we're going to be using Canva for this. So I will come to Canva and I will click on create a design. So creating a design, I'm going to look for TikTok. So look for the video. It has given us some templates, but I'm not going to be using the templates. I'm going to I'm going to be creating mine from the scratch. So I'm going to upload. You come here. You remember we saved some pictures, right? So I come here and it's telling me to upload my file. So I'll upload my phone, right? And I'm going to put this here, and I can. Oh shit. So I'm going to put this here, and I would just increase it like this. I'll come to Amazon. I'll just put the name Apple Airport the translation, just that the keyword, and I'll come back to this. I'll come to text message, add text in the box. Let's increase it. Yeah, then is that I put it like this and I put my text underneath, right? Or you put your picture here and then you're putting my text on top. Okay, so I'll change the font. I'm going to be using this and I'll just highlight it and put this. I'll put the color background, or I can come to elements and look for aesthetic background. Yeah, can look for aesthetic background, see all. You can choose any of the pictures, right? And you can just enlarge it to your taste. You come to position, and you bring the stuff backward. I'm going to remove the background. So this is actually looking good, right? It's looking good. So I'm going to create another page. You can 30 seconds. Good. Then we create another page, and I'm going to be uploading the rest of my pictures. I'll be right back. Okay, go back to Amazon and we look for some keywords here. Okay, you can take some dates, repeat, reconfirm for comfort. Okay, and I come back to this with, and I come back to text, add text. I'm gonna paste. Okay, this time around I can move this up. I can move this up and adjust to fit the box. So let me design the remaining and I'll be right back. I'm going to animate this. This one I can do for this just for the purpose of this tutorial. So I can do it now, as you can see. Let's preview. This is how it's going to come out. Okay, so let us preview and add our music. I'm going to download it as MP3. And download MP4. I'm going to increase this 4KB. Then download. So now you can select our MP3 video here. As you can see, you have your video. I think we should edit our cover. So we can add this for our cover, or you can choose this. You can add this. I'm going to be using this first one, right? And you confirm. You can also upload. You can upload your cover page, right? So I'm going to confirm this. So I can select my location. Let's go to Canada, right? And everyone now post. So now I'm going to be paragraph my description here. So I'll come back to this. So I can, I come back to Amazon, then I copy this and I could come to TikTok, then share more video about your video here. And I'm gonna paste, right? Then I will come to Amazon. I'll scroll first, then I'll grab my link here. Okay, always use the short link. I'll grab my link here and copy, then I'll paste my link here. I'll write where to buy. Okay, and I'll paste my link here. And you can also paste your link on Linktree. I did the video, so watch it on how you can link the Amazon product on Linktree. Then if you use that, you can always add your Linktree account on your profile on this TikTok app. Okay, so now let's use hashtag. Let's see if it's earbud. Right, this is our listing. Earbud. Earbud. Let me put the hashtag, then I'll be back. This is my link, and you can also paste it in the comment section. I'm going to highlight this again. Put this down, copy, then I can just put here. So anyone that wants to purchase this will come to my bio, or you can check my Linktree account, then you can as well purchase it. So now I'm going to click on post. So always remember to put this on everyone. If not, you just post a video and your video the one seeing it. You're not going to show other people. You can put everyone or friends. So we're going to be putting everyone here, right? And let's see if it's going to play some stuff. You see? Can you see our link? You can just copy the link. Can you see our link? You can just copy the link and you just buy the products. So if anyone clicks this link account, you gain a commission. And always remember to put a disclaimer. Okay, there's already a disclaimer in my bio on my LinkedIn, so I don't need to put a disclaimer, but you can always put a disclaimer that you're an Amazon associate and you earn when you buy products with my link. Okay, So I hope this tutorial makes sense and you got value. Thank you for watching up to this moment. Do not forget to like and share this video. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.